Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Life360 not updating for one person in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply check the location permissions. So you need to open the settings of your phone. Inside the settings, simply find Life360. When you are inside it, you just have to look for the option of location. So here when you tap on the option of location, you need to make sure that always allow option is set. Also, you need to turn on the precise location option. Without this, your Life360 cannot update properly. Now, once that is done, you need to turn off the battery saver mode. So you need to first of all check and turn off the low power mode on your iPhone or battery saver mode on your Android phone. Make sure that you remove Life360 from background restrictions. Now, after doing this, simply open the settings of your iPhone. Over here inside the settings, simply go to General. Here, look for the option of background app refreshes. Now here when you scroll down a bit, you need to look for the application of Life360. So here make sure that this is enabled. If it is not enabled, you just have to basically turn on this toggle button right next to it. This particular step allows the application to update even when not open. Now location updates need the internet connection. So make sure that the person has active mobile data or Wi-Fi and stable connection. You can try turning the airplane mode on and off in order to refresh the internet connection. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your application is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.